Hi, greetings to all of you. Today we are going to see about the most interesting and the thing which we all wonder about, that is nothing but the secret to Korean women's beauty. Traditionally, for Korean women, makeup was not simply about becoming more beautiful, but about treating one's body properly and cultivating both inner and outer beauty. So, this video will reveal the secret of their flawless skin and try a few of their tips this summer to keep your skin healthy and beautiful. Skincare. In the past, Korean women made their own skincare products, including everything from scrubs, lotions, creams, and oils. Ground mung beans were made into soap by blending the powder with water, and lotions were made from the juice of plants. Just as today, vitamin E was valued for its moisturizing properties, and women applied oils such as safflower oil, which was abundant in vitamin E, to their skin. Next, we are going to see about their cosmetics. During the Joseon dynasty, Confucianism had a significant influence on women's beauty routines. A clean and soft face was considered beautiful due to Confucianism, emphasis on thrift and modesty, as well as on inner beauty rather than outer beauty. Typically, women from middle class families wore lighter makeup, focusing on having a clear and healthy looking face. Even for special events such as weddings and feasts, they did not stray far from their natural appearance. On the other hand, female entertainers of the royal court and court ladies wear much showier makeup that will set all the latest beauty trends. Korean women considered eyebrows one of their most important features and used eyebrow ink to emphasize them. During the Koryo dynasty, particularly with the people who dance on the stage or the female entertainers, it was popular to draw thin, distinctive eyebrows while applying powder generously to make their faces pale and white. What are the tools are they using for makeup? Traditionally, Korean makeups were made by hand with natural ingredients. Since modern preservatives were not available, women were concerned about their makeup deteriorating. Thus, they only made cosmetics in small quantities and stored them in small containers. During the Three Kingdoms period, dishes and bottles for holding cosmetics and lotions were made of earthenware. During the Koryo dynasty, containers were made from celadon, and during Joseon dynasty, white and blue porcelain were used. A wooden mirror box that contained makeup was also indispensable in the makeup routine. In addition to diverse tools such as brushes for mixing and applying the many colored powders, eyebrow ink, and robe that women wore. Okay, you can also try this at home. So I am going to give some of the beauty tips and some facial masks that you can try in home. Korean women are known for their glowing, natural looking skin. Try the following popular masks to refresh your skin for this summer. Cucumber mask. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and this mask is especially good for restoring moisture to sunburned skin after a day at the beach. Ingredients: 1 cucumber and 20 grams of any flour. Steps: wash the cucumber and finely grate it. Mix 600 grams of the grated cucumber with 20 grams of any chana flour or mung beans flour. Optionally, you can add half tablespoon of honey into the mixture. Spread the mixture across the entire face, avoiding the eyes. Leave it on your face for 15 minutes and rinse it off thoroughly. The next one is potato mask. This potato mask is a favorite for its nourishing and brightening effects. It is also good for cleansing the skin of excess oil, so those with oily and blemished skin will especially love it. The ingredients are nothing but 1 potato and 12 grams of in chana dal or mung bean dals. Steps: wash the potato finely and finely grate it. Mix 60 grams of grated potato with 12 grams of flour. Optionally, you can add half spoon of table spoon of honey into the mixture. Spread the mixture across your entire face, avoiding the eyes. Leave it on your face for 15 minutes and rinse it off thoroughly. So you can also try these two facial masks which the Koreans are actually trying on their weekly or monthly basis. So for having a glowing skin like them. I hope this video would be very useful to you and most interesting, and it would have revealed the secret behind their beauty. So thank you for watching this.